Hey everyone, Kyle here. Today we're diving into the top international travel insurance options. With more people traveling globally, having the right coverage has become essential. Whether you're looking for a comprehensive protection or specific adventure coverage, these top picks will have you covered. And now on the number 5 of our list is GeoBlue, best for international medical coverage. So GeoBlue offers medical travel insurance designed specifically for international healthcare needs. You can select coverage for single or multiple trips, and if you're traveling for over 3 months, they have extended options. The Voyager Choice Plan is great for international trips, offering comprehensive health insurance, including coverage for pre-existing conditions if you have a current US health plan. And now on the number 4 spot is AIG Travel Guard, best for optional coverages. AIG Travel Guard provides solid coverage for almost any destination, covering essentials like trip cancellation, interruption, luggage, and emergency medical evacuation. AIG has 4 main plans: the Deluxe, Preferred, Essential, and a Pack and Go plan, making it easy to select a plan that meets your trip's specific needs and coverage requirements. And now on the number 3 spot is IMG, the best budget global medical insurance. IMG, with over 20 years in the market, offers a range of affordable international medical insurance options. They cover preventive care, trip cancellation, and more, while also following for customizations like global term life and sports coverage, making it a flexible, budget-friendly option for travelers. And now on number 2 is World Nomads, best for adventure travelers. If adventure sports are in your itinerary, World Nomads is an ideal choice. Covering over 200 activities from scuba diving to skiing, World Nomads offers customizable coverage including trip cancellations, travel delays, and emergency medical coverage, plus 24/7 travel assistance. And now, lastly, on the number 1 spot is Alliance Travel Insurance, best for comprehensive coverage. Alliance Travel Insurance takes the top spot with a variety of plans for single or multiple trips and even annual coverage. The One Trip Prime plan offers extensive benefits like trip cancellation, medical emergency, and transportation, plus free coverage for kids under 17 traveling with family. Alliance comprehensive options make it a fantastic choice for families and solo travelers alike. And now for the final thoughts. Choosing the right travel insurance can make a significant difference in your travel experience. It's not just about having a peace of mind, it's about being prepared for the unexpected. From medical emergencies to lost luggage or trip cancellations, each plan we discussed have various strengths tailored to different types of travelers. So, as travels become more accessible and more destinations require adequate health coverage, it's essential to consider which plan aligns best with your trip's specifics and personal needs. By selecting the right policy, you're not only protecting your health and finances, but also ensuring a smoother, more enjoyable journey wherever your travel takes you. And that is basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.